Sell my diesel repair shop. How to sell a diesel repair shop. Unlock your shop's true value and secure your financial future. Before even thinking about listing your diesel repair shop, a thorough preparation phase is absolutely crucial. This meticulous planning ensures you're presenting your business in its best light, maximizing your exit strategy and potential sale price. Thoroughly review and organize all operational documentation, including service manuals, diagnostic equipment manuals, and any proprietary repair procedures you've developed over the years. Buyers will want to understand the technical expertise and systems in place. Obtain an honest and realistic business valuation. It's paramount. Don't let sentimental attachments cloud your judgment when determining your shop's true market value. Identifying and addressing any outstanding legal or compliance issues is a non-negotiable step in preparing your business for sale. Outstanding permits, environmental regulations, or labor disputes can significantly deter buyers or lead to substantial price reductions. Enhancing your shop's curb appeal and operational efficiency, even short-term, significantly impacts buyer perception. A clean, organized, and well-maintained facility inherently suggests a well-run, profitable business. Developing a compelling, targeted marketing strategy is essential for a successful sale. This plan should specifically attract the right kind of buyers, those who understand and value your specialized diesel repair services. Identifying diverse and suitable buyer pools is a critical component of your marketing efforts. Understanding who might be interested and why will shape your outreach and negotiation strategies. Leveraging both online and offline marketing channels is key to broadening your reach. This comprehensive approach ensures your diesel repair shop listing gains maximum visibility among potential investors. Preparing a comprehensive confidential information memorandum, CIM, is vital. This document offers interested parties detailed insights into your business operations, financials, and growth potential. The negotiation phase requires a strategic and informed approach, backed by your thorough preparation and market knowledge. Be prepared to discuss your valuation, address buyer concerns, and explore different deal structures. Identifying a buyer who offers the best financial terms is important, but also consider one who aligns with your shop's legacy and culture. This synergy is paramount for a smooth and successful transition. Thoroughly vetting potential buyers is a crucial step to avoid wasting time and resources on parties who are not serious or financially capable of completing the acquisition. Conduct initial financial screenings and assess their understanding of the diesel repair market. Consider buyers who bring complementary skills or resources to enhance your shop's future. This could involve technological expertise, broader market access, or established supplier relationships for growth. If you have capable employees with leadership potential and deep operational understanding, they are excellent candidates for an internal sale. This can ensure continuity and reward loyal staff. When engaging with potential buyers, be transparent about your expectations and the realities of the business. Open and honest communication from the outset builds trust and helps to manage expectations, preventing potential misunderstandings later in the process. The closing process requires meticulously finalizing all legal and financial aspects of the transaction. This ensures a clean, secure, and legally sound transfer of ownership of your diesel repair shop. Ensuring all contractual obligations are clearly defined and agreed upon in the purchase agreement is critical. This document should detail the sale price, payment terms, any seller financing, warranties, indemnifications, and the exact scope of assets being transferred. The transfer of all necessary licenses, permits, and customer contracts must be handled with precision. This includes notifying relevant authorities, updating business registrations, and ensuring a smooth handover of client relationships. Facilitating a smooth transition of operations and customer relationships is paramount for the continued success of the business and your reputation. This might involve offering a period of post-sale support or training for the new owner. Once all conditions are met and documents are signed, the final transfer of funds will occur, marking the successful completion of your sale. Celebrate this achievement, knowing that your hard work and strategic planning have culminated in a rewarding exit. Click the link below to learn more about how they do it.